Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode where we're breaking down some of the most talked about diets: keto, vegan, and paleo. We're going to look at what they are, the science behind them, and how to decide which might be the best fit for you. Let's get real, practical, and dive into the details without the hype. Let's start with the keto diet, short for ketogenic. This diet is all about high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbs. The goal is to get your body into a state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. People often use this diet to lose weight quickly, but it's also popular for its potential benefits for mental clarity and energy levels. And now I will discuss pros and cons of this keto diets. Let's start with the pros. 1. Rapid weight loss. Since your body burns fat for fuel, you can see quick changes in your weight. 2. Appetite control. Fat is more satisfying than carbs, so you might find yourself feeling full for longer. 3. Steady energy levels. Without sugar highs and crashes, many people report more stable energy throughout the day. And now, let's talk about cons. 1. Difficult to maintain. Keto is very restrictive. Cutting out most carbs means no bread, pasta, or even some fruits. 2. Keto flu. When you first start, your body might go through withdrawal symptoms like headaches and fatigue as it adapts. 3. Nutritional gaps. It's easy to miss out on important nutrients, especially if you're not eating enough vegetables. Next up is the vegan diet, which means no animal products whatsoever, no meat, dairy, eggs, or honey. This diet is more than just food for many. It's a lifestyle choice that aims to reduce harm to animals and the environment. And now I talk about pros and cons of vegan diets. Pros of vegan. 1. Health benefits. Vegans often have lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart disease. Environmentally friendly. A plant-based diet generally has a smaller carbon footprint and uses fewer resources. 3. Rich in nutrients. When done right, a vegan diet is high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Cons of vegan. 1. Protein concerns. Getting enough protein can be a challenge if you don't carefully plan your meals. 2. Vitamin deficiencies. Vegans may need to supplement B12, iron, and omega-3s to stay healthy. 3. Social challenges. Eating out or attending events can be tricky when there are limited vegan options. Now, let's talk about the paleo diet, also known as the caveman diet. It's based on eating like our ancestors, focusing on whole foods like meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds, while cutting out processed foods, grains, dairy, and legumes. Pros of paleo. 1. Whole foods. Focus. Paleo encourages eating nutrient-dense, whole foods, which can improve overall health. 2. Easy to follow. It's less restrictive than keto and doesn't require as much tracking. 3. Reduced inflammation. Many people find that eliminating processed foods helps reduce inflammation and digestive issues. Cons of paleo. 1. Limited food choices. Like keto, paleo cuts out grains and dairy, which can make it hard to find variety. Cost. Eating high-quality meats and organic produce can get expensive. Lack of scientific evidence. There's still debate over the long-term health benefits of paleo compared to other diets. Which diet is right for you? Choosing the right diet really depends on your personal health goals, lifestyle, and how much you enjoy certain foods. Here's a quick way to figure it out. 1. If weight loss is your top priority and you don't mind cutting carbs, keto could be a good option. It's great for short-term weight loss but can be hard to maintain over the long haul. 2. If you're focused on overall health, reducing your carbon footprint, and are okay with eliminating all animal products, vegan might be your best bet. Just be prepared to plan your meals to avoid nutritional gaps. 3. If you want a balanced approach that emphasizes whole foods and you don't want to give up meat, the paleo diet could be ideal. It's flexible and focuses on nutrient-rich foods, but cutting out grains and dairy might be a challenge for some. No diet is one size fits all, and what works for someone else might not work for you. The best diet is one that you can stick to in the long term, and that makes you feel good both physically and mentally. It's always a smart move to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have any health conditions or dietary restrictions. Remember, it's not just about following a trend. It's about finding a way to eat that supports your lifestyle and your goals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this breakdown helps you make an informed choice on your health journey. Until next time, eat well, stay healthy, and keep exploring.